Hi, I'm Andrew with FSG, and we're here today in Round Rock, Texas to learn about smart buildings.
So after the design phase is done, we work towards implementation. And just like any project, any deployment, there are challenges along the way. So we course correct, we identify what's working and what's not. So we can take back that data. Did it work? Is it working? And what's most important with FSG is we're not just a project company. We're going to be there for the life of the customer. So when we implement a solution, we want to warrant that solution. We want to protect that solution. We want to manage it from an ongoing basis. So whatever we deploy after the implementation phase, we're really measuring and monitoring those results. So we want to produce energy savings. We want to produce efficiency. We want to produce the lowest owner cost over time. And so we want to be connected to that customer ongoing. And that's really what makes FSG unique, is we don't want to just provide a solution. We want to help you maintain and manage that solution for the life of the project.
For more information on FSG Smart Buildings, visit our website at fsgsmartbuildings.com.